Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the ICP update today. And it's pretty much a very boring time with ICP. You just don't really know what's going on. So into the 1 hour time frame, do you remember this head and shoulder? Left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and then you had your neckline. You pop below the neckline, you went to the technical target. So there was a very small pattern that could have been good for a day trade or something like that. Similarly, we may have another left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. So it's just a series of inverse head and shoulders, and head and shoulders, and I don't know, it's almost like as if they're just making fun of people. I don't know. So the thing is, you probably have popped down. I don't know if this trend line looks like this, or it does look like something like this as well. Yeah, I kind of think you're losing the trend line, to be honest with you, because this does look like a bearish closing that happened for the first time right over here with this. Do you see that candle? This was the very first bearish closing below that line. So it kind of really broke down, and this is a one candle that is going back up for the retest. So if you're looking for ICP to drop one more time, you do have another pattern that you can trade, and that is going to be all the way down to $11.552. And by the way, the stop loss is going to be around 13.3 just for this particular pattern, this one right here. So if you just make it up to 13.3, this head and shoulder that you have, small one, is going to be invalidated. So yeah, we're looking for another 9% trade here. So you can actually get this 9%. And also it seems like there's this resistance coming from there as well. So yeah, you're pretty much an entry point right now, really much an entry point. You can actually do something like put a stop at 2.97%, and then this becomes a 9%. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.